Hello guys, and welcome back to mathematics class for grade 3. Today we're going to talk about numbers, and we're going to use student journal book A, unit 1.2. We're going to talk about writing 4-digit numbers and number names. So the unit 1.2, numbers, writing 4-digit numerals and number names. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. 2 students wrote a numeral to match these blocks. Cinto wrote 356. Fa wrote 3056. Which numeral is correct, and how do you know? So let's take a look at the blocks. This is 1000. Four, 5 tenths. So there is no 100 block. So 5 tenths and the ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. So 5 is correct. 3056. What is used to show there are no blocks in a place? We use 0 for 100 place. Why do you think this is important? When a number is written without an expander, a comma can be used to separate the thousands from the hundreds, tens, and ones. This makes it easier to read and say the number names. So after the 1000, we have to put a comma. After the 1000, we put a comma. We put a comma, and a comma to separate the 1000 from the hundreds, tens, and ones. So how do we say these numbers? For this, we say 2346. Again, 2346. How do we say the next number? 4185. Again, 4185. Next, you can notice we have 0 in the tens place. So we say we read it as 3206. 3206. Next one. There is no ones. We have 0 ones. So we read it as 7420. Again, 7420. Next, we read this as 2815. Again, 2815. Now let's go on to the workout. Write the matching number on the expander, then write the number in words. So we have 2 thousands, so we write 2. We have 2 hundreds, so we write 2 here. We have 4 tenths, so we write 4 here. And we have 7 ones, so we write 7 here. Part B, how many thousands do we have? We have 2 thousands, 1, 2. So we write 2,000. How many hundreds? 3. So we write 300. How many tens? There is no 10 block. So we use 0 to represent tens. Okay? And how many ones? 9. That's correct. 9. So we write 9 to represent the ones. Now let's go on to the next workout. Number 2, write the matching number on the expander, then write the number name. Part A. So for the thousands, we write 4. For the hundreds, we write 8. For the tens, we write 1. And for the for the ones, we write 9. Now let's go on to part B. Thousands, we have 3. For the hundreds, we have 0. For the tens, we have 8. And for the ones, 0. So let's write the number name for 2A. So for part 2A, the number name will be 4,819. Part B. We write it as 3,080. Now let's go on to part 3. Write the matching numeral or number name. 3A, so we have 4,018. $4,018. Part B. We write it as Part B, we write it as 1,620. Part C. We write it as 3,006. Part D. For part D, we write it as 2,915. So for the fast finishers, the ancient Greek placed pebbles in grooves to show numbers. This board shows the number 3,109. Part A, what do the grooves on the board show? So part A shows thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Part B, what do the pebbles show? Part B, the answer is the number in each place. Part C, what does it mean if there are no pebbles in a groove? So it shows the number in that place will be 0. Now, practice 1.2. Take your practice book A, open onto page 7. I am going to show you number 1A. We have 1,000, so we're going to write 1. 400, so we're going to write 4 here. 2 tens, so we're going to write 2 here. And 8 ones. Now let's write the number in words. So we're going to write in words to be 1,428. So please do the rest of the practice. Submit it to the teacher's group line, Go Math 3/1 IEP group line. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.